Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of the tool in Canvas, and this tool is very helpful. It will help you to type math into Canvas. Okay, this tool is embedded inside Canvas already, so you don't have to download or install anything. Okay, so in order to practice with the tool, the reason I want you to use this tool because a lot of students have careless mistake with writing math. That's why I want you to use this tool, because you guys, when you write math, you guys just scribble everywhere, and it's out of order, and it's hard for you to understand, and a lot of students have careless mistake because of that. So this tool will help you to get rid of all the careless mistake. It helps you to write math in order. Okay, so I mean it's very easy to use, and you don't have to install or download the software. It's already inside Canvas. Okay. So for demonstration, I'm going to use the discussion tab inside Canvas. Okay, and after you can also click on discussion inside Canvas to practice with the tool. Okay, because this is where the tool will be. On the test, it's going to be something look like this. Okay, so after you click on discussion, okay, you click on reply. Okay, reply. Okay, so after you click on reply, you see that there's a menu bar and a toolbar, right? So the test, your test will be something like this. Okay, your test will be something like this, and above the menu bar and toolbar, you will see the question. Usually the test you have 10 questions or 5 questions, 8 questions, depends. And there are 5 questions popping up at the same time, or 10 questions popping up at the same time, and above, below the question, you will see insert math. You will see the toolbar and menu bar. Okay, so where the insert math equation at? Okay, and before going that, okay, after the menu bar and toolbar, you will see the empty space. So this is where you're gonna type your math into. Okay, so after you type your math and you just click submit it, then everything will be submitted. Okay, and make sure that when you do math on scratch paper and you type everything in. Okay, you can solve for each problem and you type each problem, or you can solve 10 problem or 5 problem on scratch paper, and after you finish with the scratch paper, you type everything in inside Canvas here. Alright, so everything in here, you see that, click that, and there's an empty space here. So all the equation, everything you want to submit will be inside here. Okay, so how you gonna access insert math equation? Very easy. So you see the insert math equation symbol right here, the square root icon right here. So usually, if you don't see the square root icon, okay, you will see 3 vertical dot, and a symbol, and you click on 3 vertical dot symbol. There's a list of all the symbol, and in that list you will see the square root symbol. You see that? When I put my cursor on the square root symbol, and you see that it say insert math equation. You see that, right? So after you click on insert math equation, another new window pop up, and look at this. I click on that, right? I click it, and here you go, a new window pop up, and in this window there's a bunch of tools. So we are right at basic, right? And in basic, there's a fraction symbol. This is where you're gonna type fraction. This is exponent. This is subscript. This is addition, subtraction, multiplication. You have a bunch of symbol right here. Most of the time you use multiplication, the dot representing multiplication. You don't want to use this because a lot of students get mistaken with x variable, so you don't want to use this. You should use dot symbol. Okay, then the second tab, you have a bunch of Greek symbol, operator. Hold on. operator, you barely use this. There's a union, intersection, the relationship. You have a greater than, equal, less than, greater than. You have a bunch of other things which probably you don't have to use. You have arrow, equivalent sign, arrow sign, delimiter. So you have curve brackets. Okay, so the bad thing about this app is that they don't have square bracket and parentheses. So for parentheses and square bracket, you have to use the keyboard. Okay. And a mix, you have a bunch of other symbols if you want to use it. Perpendicular, this is a perpendicular symbol, and this is the composition. This is composition symbol. Okay, so that's good, right? That's good. This square root symbol, right? I'm gonna go back to basics tab, and you see the square root and the end root right here. Okay, now what if I want to write something? What if I want to write 2 over 3? So 2 over 3 is fraction. So I click on fraction symbol, right? You see that? And now there are 2 space. You click with the keyboard 2, and you click with the keyboard 3, and you click out, and you click 2 over 3x, right? And you want to put equal what? Equal 10, for example. Okay. All right. So after you do that, and you want to jump the line, you want to go down here. So that's the bad thing about insert math equation. You see, you click enter, and it's not jumping at all. Okay. If you cannot jump, you're gonna write horizontally, right? You have to, you must. But the thing is that you don't want to write horizontally. You know, on your math will be, you have to jump the line. Sooner or later, you have to jump the line, right? Because if you write horizontally and it go forever, then I cannot grade and you cannot see that. You can see you can't see your math, right? So you have to jump the line. And but the bad thing is you cannot jump the line inside here. You see that? I click enter, it doesn't work. It does not jump the line at all. So in order to jump the line, you have to click insert equation. So you're gonna click insert equation. And you see that after you click insert equation, your equation, right, from insert math equation, it's gonna go, it will be going directly into the empty space right here. And when you click that, you see that you can zoom in and zoom out. You see that? And what if you want to fix it? So you click that, right, and they say the edit equation. You just click edit equation and go back to the old insert math equation window. So you can change this. Whatever you want to change, you want to -2, for example, right? -2 -12, and you click insert equation, and you see that it's gonna change for you. So the edit equation is where you're gonna click and you change it. Okay. Okay. Now go back to how you're gonna jump the line. So because in insert math equation you cannot jump the line. So in order to jump the line, you're gonna click enter over here. Here you go. So you click enter over here, and automatically it jumped the line for you, right? So it's the cursor jumped down over here. Now you want to keep writing, right? So you have to go back to the insert math equation again. Here you go. Now you want to type everything in again. So you can have 2 over 3, right? X equal 10 minus 12 is -2. Here you go. Insert equation, and it automatically jumped the line for you. Okay, so you have to go back out in order to jump the line, then go back inside insert math equation app. Okay, and now you want to jump the line again, you click enter, you see they jump the line for you. Now you can go back to insert math equation app, and you click x equal -3. Okay, insert, here you go, and now you finish the equation. Okay, so that is how you're gonna use insert math equation. I'm gonna go back and show you some more tool. What if I want to use square root? Right? So I want to put a square root of x, right? I click square root, and you click x right here, and you click minus. And you click minus right here, 2, right? And you can click insert equation. Okay, or you want to write a function, so you want to put f of x, or f, then you have to use parentheses with the keyboard, okay? Because insert math equation, then they don't give you the keyboard, they don't give you the parentheses, I'm sorry. Then you put f, right? So you have to use parenthesis with the keyboard. Okay. All right. Same thing. So you put equal, and now you click insert equation, and it's gonna go over here for you. Okay. If you want to write horizontally, of course you can go like this, and you go back to insert, and you're gonna jump. You're gonna write horizontally. But I mean, most of the time for math, you go down. Okay. You barely go horizontally. You go vertically, right? You need to jump the line so that your math will be more clear. It's clearer. Okay. It's easier for you to look at, and it's easier for instructor to grade. Okay. Alright, so that is where you're gonna get parentheses. What if you want to get a bracket, right? So you gotta go back to insert math equation app, and there's no way you can get bracket here because there's no symbol. So if you want to write bracket, you can write bracket outside, yeah, like this, right? Then you go insert math equation app, and you're gonna put x minus 4. Then insert. You see that it's gonna go. Let me see. Here you go. It's not really good, right? Because it doesn't look like bracket at all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and delete it. So I think I should write the bracket in insert math equation app, but you cannot get any bracket over here. So you have to use the keyboard. So you click on the keyboard. Here you go. This beautiful bracket, right? You click and you click x minus 2. Here you go. Then insert, and now we have a very beautiful bracket. You see that? And now whatever you want to write parentheses, again, I click enter. Okay, you go back over here, and you click with your keyboard, click on the parentheses on keyboard. Here, oh, this is not parentheses. Here you go, parentheses with the keyboard. Here you go, you have x minus 4. Insert, you see that? It's gonna go directly into the working space for you to edit. And you want to edit, you just go by click on that, and you see the edit equation, and you click edit equation, and it's gonna be go back to the insert math equation window for you to change anything you want to. Okay. All right. So anything else I want to show you here? So let me jump the line. Okay. Let me jump the line. Here you go. So make sure that when you finish each problem, you have to submit it. Okay, you have to post it, because just in case you have like internet interruption, and if the internet's going down, then you lose everything, right? You don't want it. You need to save it. Okay. Well, if you have internet interruption, then it will be a very big problem, because for the test you just can open only one, and if you have internet interruption, then you cannot redo the test anymore. So you make sure that when you do the test, you have a very good internet. Okay. Otherwise, like, you will lose everything. This is online one, so make sure you have internet, good internet, reliable internet. All right, so let's see if I can show you anything with the insert math equation now. So you can type. I already showed you this. I already showed you the square root. This is n root, so you can want cube root, fourth root. See that? And you click it. It's cube root of x, and here you go. It's right over there, right? And what if I want to write over here horizontally? I just go over here, write horizontally. You gotta insert math equation app again. What if I want to write x squared, right? So you're gonna put x, right? And you put subscript. So see that? Then square. Here you go. You click on subscript and you click square. So you have x squared minus 4, right? So insert, and you're gonna have a like this. And you can move around. No, you cannot move. You see, they don't let you move it. Yeah, they don't let you move it. It's not good, right? There you go. they don't let you move it. So let me just go down here. Okay, here you go. It's still there. They don't let you move it. They don't let you move around. Yeah, I don't think so. Alright, so that is where you're gonna get the exponent. So in order to get the other thing, what if you want to write x sub 2, right? Easy. You go back here. You do subscript. You get x, then subscript. So it's x sub 2. Here you go. What if you have you want to solve a system of linear equation, right? You have x1, x2. That is where you're gonna write x1 and x2. Okay, x sub 1, x sub 2. It's for 7 linear is a system of equation only. I don't think any other math topic you will have to use subscript. For the exponent could be subscript. So for this, you barely use unless you have system of equation. Okay, and you have another symbol. You have this integer. This is natural number. Many other symbol. Yes, you have here binomial, but you never learn this, so you who care? You know, you never learn practical vector either, so you don't care. So you just use a basic one. You know, subscript, fraction, square root, and root. Parenthesis bracket, you use the keyboard already. Curve bracket, you can use the keyboard also, but curve bracket you can use over here. Okay, Greek over here, less than, greater than. So everything is in here. Okay, all I want you to remember that in order to jump the line, okay, you have to click insert equation, go back outside, then click enter, jump the line, then go back inside. Go back inside the insert math equation, because inside insert math equation app, you can jump the line. Okay, you cannot jump the line inside there. You just can jump the line in Canvas. All right. And over here, probably you don't have to use anything. Well, this is to submit document. You're not going to submit any document. You don't submit an image, okay? Because sometimes you submit an image. Some students do like this. Some students take a picture of the problem on the test and submit it through this tool. I cannot open it, and I don't want you to use it, okay? Because in that case, you're not typing. Okay, in that case, you still writing the test on paper, which is not good, because I'm sure that a lot of people have careless mistake because of inappropriate syntax. Okay, so this is appropriate syntax. Okay, it's appropriate syntax. You have to write like this. You see the beautiful and it's clear. Okay, it's easier for you to see. It's easier for me to see. Okay, and I recommend you to practice insert math equation app at least a week before taking a real test. Okay, 1 week before taking a real test, so that when you take the real test, you feel comfortable with all the tool. Okay, all right. So that's all for the video today. Let me know if you have any question for the insert math equation app. Then I will try to answer. I will try to reply as soon as I can. Okay, I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.